The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn
Your
thing.
favorite toothbrush after some time stops working. Manufacturers hide the possibility of simple battery replacement because it may be unsafe for you. Therefore, they hope to buy a new one every 2 or 3 years. But you are curious like me and want to replace the battery yourself and continue to use your favorite toothbrush. If you started to disassemble a toothbrush like me, this is not correct. See below how to properly disassemble a Braun Oral-B toothbrush and replace the battery for less than $1. Hello everyone, привет все, and welcome back to very excited video blog. First you need to heat the water. After that, immerse the lower part of the toothbrush 2 or 3 centimeters into hot water. It is necessary that the fastening become more plastic. Take your charger for toothbrush. It will be a surprise for you, but it is the key to your toothbrush, and to open it and you can take out the battery. Insert toothbrush and turn to 30 or 45 degrees. Sometimes it can be 90 degrees. Be careful not to break the lock inside of toothbrush. Now you can take off the bottom of the brush, which contains the wires for wireless charging. There is also a need to be careful and do not break the thin wires, which is connected with main board. I have one of them broke, but it is not a problem to quick repair.
So messed up, don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold those strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need you. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I to suffer through the thinking. Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out.
For me, better unsolder the bottom part that it does not interfere and then return back. For me, it is better way because I don't want to unsolder the motor. I decided to unsolder the battery. I buy 4 batteries for £2 for a garden lamp and put one of them inside. Of course, they do not have large capacity, but this is not a problem for me also. If you notice, then I change the battery nickel-cadmium to metal hydride. They are lighter, but not as powerful as nickel-metal hydride battery. Each type of battery has positive and negative side of use, but today we don't talk about this. I solder the wires to the plus and minus of the battery. You see holes for them on the main board. Now is the time to check how it works. Solder wires of the wireless charging back and check the charging voltage. The voltage is so low that you could insert additional connector and use solar panel from the same garden lamp to charge your toothbrush anywhere. Today that's all. Remember, the best way say thank you to the author is share this video with your friends, or you can support the channel by donation. All links in the description below. I will hope to see you next time.